Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing access and preserving anything you need. Log in and enable 2FA so you can confirm identity. Once done, go straight to Settings your Facebook information and request a download of your information. Choose the range and format you want. Make sure to note any apps, games, or websites that use Facebook login so you can create replacements. This prevents loss of access later and explains why deletion is irreversible unless you restore within the grace period. Next, you remove external ties that keep your identity or data active. Go to Settings Apps and Websites and revoke permissions for active and expired apps. This stops data sharing immediately. Make sure you disconnect Instagram, Oculus, Pages, and any business accounts. Once deleted, restoring linked services is messy. Also replace Facebook login on other sites by creating independent accounts or updating their email login. These steps ensure third parties no longer hold persistent tokens that could recreate connections after deletion. Finally, request deletion via Settings your Facebook information deactivation and deletion and choose Delete Account. Confirm with your password and 2FA. Facebook holds a 30-day recovery window. Make sure you don't log back in if you want permanent removal. After requesting deletion, uninstall mobile apps, remove saved passwords, and clear browser caches and credentials to avoid accidental reactivation. If something goes wrong, check for active sessions, remove devices from security settings, and revoke any developer API tokens or business integrations before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.